Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll unbox the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Sterilization Humidifier. This humidifier is available on AliExpress for around $80 US. I managed to get it from the Spanish warehouse and it was delivered in just 6 days. No customs delivered to your door. It was sent in its original box, no extra wrapping, but you shouldn't worry, the package is really solid and it arrived undamaged. If you live in Europe, you also get corresponding AC adapter. This humidifier connects directly to your Wi-Fi and you can control it from Mi Home app. It has a large 4.5-liter water tank, which you can fill from the top by removing the cover. It also includes UVC light for water sterilization. It is very quiet, and I guess most people would be able to use it in the bedroom during night. It has one round button indicator which you can use to turn it on, off, or change the mode. You are also able to turn the indicator and the inside atmosphere light off. Also, water level is easily visible and the indicator glows red if it needs to be refilled. It also has built-in humidity sensor, but I advise you to use separate Aqara or Mijia temperature and humidity sensor that is not located close to your humidifier so you will get more precise measurement. All in all, very nice humidifier, and the best thing about it is that you can make various automations in Mi Home app. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.